Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust the clutch on your Toyota Tacoma. First, you will need to check two critical measurements: the clutch pedal's height from the floor and its free play. The free play is the small amount of movement before you feel resistance. Having the right tools, such as a 12mm wrench and a measuring tape, will make this process much smoother. Next, let's adjust the pedal height. Under the dash, locate the pedal stop bolt at the top of the clutch pedal assembly. Loosen its lock nut, then turn the stop bolt to set the pedal height between 168.5 and 178.5 millimeters, or about 6.6 to 7 inches from the floor. Once set, tighten the lock nut to 18 foot-pounds. Now we'll fine-tune the free play. Locate the push rod that connects to the master cylinder. Loosen the lock nut on this rod. Rotate the push rod to achieve a free play of 5 to 15 millimeters, which is about 0.2 to 0.6 inches. This ensures proper clutch engagement and disengagement. After setting, firmly tighten the push rod's lock nut. After adjusting the free play, always recheck the pedal height to ensure it remains within specification. Then, confirm that the clutch pedal engages and disengages smoothly without any dragging or slipping. Take your Tacoma for a careful test drive to verify proper operation. If shifting feels off, reevaluate your adjustments. A correctly adjusted clutch ensures optimal performance and longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.